Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing very important update regarding COVID-19 and travel restrictions. My name is Santosh. I'm regulated Canadian immigration consultant. My office in Calgary. If you are aspiring to come to Canada, then this is the right channel for you because we are sharing lots of updated information regarding Immigration Canada. WHO, World Health Organization, have recently confirmed that there is a new variant called Omicron. The cases has been found, the cases has been raised, and this COVID-19 variant is spreading globally. Now, considering this situation, Canada's health minister and Canada's transport minister, they have announced some travel restrictions and flight ban, as precautions are better than the cure. Considering these situations, considering maybe a lockdown in future, government of Canada is taking precautionary actions. They have banned certain direct flight from southern African countries. Now those countries are South Africa, Zimbabwe, Botswana, Namibia, Eswatini, Lesotho, and Mozambique. In these countries, they found this new variant. To take precautionary action, government of Canada have banned all direct flight from this country to Canada. Besides flight ban, they also impose some travel restrictions. Any foreigner, such as visitor, worker, or student, if they have visited in those countries in last 14 days, they are not allowed to enter Canada. It's a strict measure. Foreigners who visited in those countries are not allowed to visit Canada. Besides foreigner, if there are any Canadian citizen or Canadian permanent resident, and if they visited those countries in last 14 days, they are not allowed to come to Canada through direct flight. If they want to come to Canada back, they have to take flight through third country. And in that third country, 72 hours before their flight departure to Canada, they have to take COVID test, and that COVID test has to be negative. So if they found themselves negative within that 72 hours COVID test before departure, they can board the flight. They can arrive Canada. Once they arrive in Canada, they have to stay quarantined in designated facility, and they have to get arrival test done. They have to stay quarantined until their arrival test come negative. Now current ban is until 31st January 2022. India was struggling a lot with COVID-19. There were lots of cases in India, and now they are recovering from COVID-19. This new variant, Omicron, it shows that fight against COVID-19 is not yet finished, it's still going on. I want you to please stay safe, stay healthy. Follow all COVID related protocol and fight with this together. I hope there won't be any travel ban between India and Canada. Hope this information will be useful for those who's planning to travel. Please keep yourself updated and have a nice day. Thank you.